Hi guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano i-connect yung paano gamitin yung CQ Mixpad CQ12T Allen and Heath CQ12T. So yung CQ12T, unlike dun sa CQ18T at saka yung isang model, wala siyang built-in wifi. So para makontrol mo siya through yung app na CQ Mixpad, you need to use an external router. So i-walk through ko kayo kung paano ko siya ginawa, paano ko sinetup yung router ko for me to be able to connect it to the mixer and control the mixer wirelessly using my iPad through the CQ Mixpad. Okay? So, first thing na kailangan mong gawin is pakita ko lang yung paano ko kinonfigure yung Wi-Fi or access point. So, basically, ang kailangan mong gawin is to have a separate router na magiging access point mo. Kailangan ma-access mo admin console niya. So, yan. So, once naka-login ka na using yung admin account, ito lang yung ginawa ko. So, nireconfigure ko lang yung wireless SSID. Kuha lang ako ng panibagong name para mas madali ko siyang tandaan. And then, I just put temporary password. So, current channel, everything is default. So, once na okay na yan, once nagawa mo na yan, check ko lang. Once nagawa mo na yan, what you need to do is remove mo yung LAN cable and then connect it to dun sa mixer. Okay? Ayan. Dun sa mixer, meron siyang network port. So, pagka na-connect mo na yung LAN cable, you can now power it on. So, ayan. So, once power on na yung mixer, punta ka sa config. Okay. And then, control and network. So, in my case, nilagay ko siya sa automatic. So, this IP address automatically detects yan dun sa router mo. Magdidepende ang makukuha mong IP address. Depende kung anong router na gamit mo. You can also use yung manual or static. In my case, ginawa ko na lang siyang automatics para hindi na ako mag-iisip ng IP address. After that, you need to go to your iPad. Ensure na naka-install yung CQ Mixpad na app. And then, after mo ma-install, connect ka dun sa access point na dinefine mo. Okay. So, once connected ka na sa Wi-Fi or dun sa access point, pwede mo nang i-launch yung app. And then, itong name na to, yan yung name dun sa mixer mo. So if you can go back to home, system, preference. Yan yung unit name. So in my case, pinaltan ko na kasi. So just to make it personalized. So siya yun. So yun yung name. So connect, and then wala, ayan na. You can able to control your mixer and do your mix from your iPad. Pakita ko yung sample. Ipakita ko kayo ng sample ng controls niya. So ayan. So for example, let's say sa fader, nakita nyo nakamute yung master ko or yung main. If I unmute it here, ayan o, nag-unmute din siya doon, di ba? So if I mute it back, mag-mute siya ron. Cool, di ba? So if I say bring down the fader down, and makikita mo, bumababa din siya dito. So if I bring up the fader up, akat din siya doon. So yan. So yung idea here is you can able to control your mix kahit nasa stage ka. So as long as yung coverage ng access point mo or yung wifi mo is kaya niya and there is no interference, you should be able to get a good access to your mixer using your iPad. Ayun lang. Hopefully nakatulong to sa iba na nahirapan i-connect yung external device nila like yung iPad to access yung CQ12T mixer. Ayun lang, sana makatulong. Hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!